Hello everybody, Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Look at those beautiful bougainvillea welcoming you to your new rental home on Denarau Island in Fairway Palms, gated precinct. Look at these nice wood beams, beautiful entryway. This is a great 4-bedroom, 3-bath rental property that we have for you, fully furnished with the air conditioners, ceiling fans, exposed beams, backup water tank, as you can see out there. Lots of outside sitting areas here on the side as well. Great thing about this, lots of storage. Everybody likes that, especially if you have kids. Storage here, full laundry room. We're going to go around and have a look in a second. And then also upstairs we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom upstairs as well. So we're going to go have a look at that in a minute. You can see the loungers are just there waiting for you to hop in and get yourself a cold drink. Kitchen is waiting as well. Let's start down here. We have the full bath. This is our first full bath with a nice shower enclosure. Nice sink. Here is the first bedroom. You can see set up with 2 queen beds. So nice air conditioner, and then all these really great wardrobe built-ins. Put all your belongings, and of course those shutters to keep you safe. And with those privacy screens, here's bedroom number 2 with the ensuite. And you can see also here again more storage area to hang all your belongings. Another great shower stall, toilet area. There's an outside shower right there for you as well. So we have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths downstairs. Let's go take a look at the nice, great open kitchen area. You can see your gas stove top right over there with your oven. Nice island here. You could even put up some bar stools there if you wanted to. Great place for entertaining. Look at that great covered patio. That's that barbecue that does come with the property. So if you're a griller extraordinaire, and come on in, and you can see another side patio if you wanted to hang your clothes. There's a clothesline there just waiting for you. There's that great pool, sitting area, loungers. Again, there's that outside showers just there, and back into the great room. And you can see all these have the screens as well, so you can keep these shut at night with those screens and get that nice, fresh, cool tropical breeze and not have anything biting you or bugging you. So there's that great room again. And you can see they actually have 2 fridges. So there's one here. Of course, you have the microwave. And then you have your laundry machine here. But you also have a second fridge. And for other bigger items like your scuba gear, anything like that, you can put that right here under the stairs. There is the other view of the laundry room going back into that living room sitting area with all that extra storage and utility sink. And here is the covered car park for 2 cars with some extra storage here as well. And I'm going to take a peek out here. You can see the decking off the side. Really nice layout of this house. Very functional, very family friendly. Again, lots of storage, so very versatile. Let's go upstairs. And again, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom 1, 2, and we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the 2 remaining bedrooms and the 1 bathroom here as well. Lots of woodwork, as you can see, very common in these Fijian homes. Lots of really natural wood elements. So here we have one of the bedrooms. Some chest of drawers here. Lots of storage with that big full-length vanity mirror, which is great when you're getting ready to go out at night. Looking your best. Soaking tub with the jets. Oh yeah. Nice shower stall, wood countertop. Here's another fun feature with this room. Whoever gets this one. Nice little sitting area. And look at this, just really nice views. We love this here. There's all these tropical flowers, palm trees. Grab your coconut over there. You grab a green coconut. You can grab the coconut juice, which is called boo juice. Just crack one of those open. And we also like to put a little rum in there occasionally. Okay, and here is the final 4th bedroom with the air conditioner and ceiling fan. and then lots of built-ins here too. So keep in mind, all these are set up the way they are from previous owners or tenants, and they can all be adjusted. So, you know, I'm thinking myself, I would probably make this more of a study or a home office, maybe shift the bed into here so you have that nice outside sitting area to enjoy. So maybe parents upstairs, kids downstairs. Obviously, lots of potential and flexibility with these homes here in Fiji. So find out more. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us +679 999 2051. And if you forget, you can go ahead and press pause. And we look forward to seeing you here soon. Hope you're safe. Hope you're well.